Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need to get one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device. As you can see, right over here. Now there might be a couple different insert pins or ones that look like insert pins, but the ones that you're looking for is part of this cutout right here. As you can see, there's a tiny little pin hole. Once you push your pin in, as you can see, the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, so you can place them on either side. Obviously you can occupy both of them, or just one. It really depends on you. If you're using two SIM cards, go right ahead. If you're using only one, that's fine as well. From there, pop it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. So it's looking for reception right now, showing me no card. Let's give it it's again looking for reception. Found it. It's pretty weak, but still, oh, there we go. So now jumped up to basically full reception. So there we go, that is how you would insert your SIM card. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.